to another Killer Clark 20 vlog. It's gonna sound crazy. It sounds stupid. It feels weird, bro. It honestly feels weird. I haven't picked up the camera in about, let's see. Wow. This is gonna seem a little weird because I'm back vlogging. I know you guys haven't heard from me in about 4 weeks, and I extremely apologize, and that's my fault. So here's why. So, as we all know, or some of you may know, I have a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport that I admire and I love, do like pretty much a lot. I wouldn't say I would love it entirely too much, but I love it a lot. But right now what's on the car is, let's just go down the list of everything that's done to it. PRC ported heads, Texas Speed F35 cam, lifters, Johnson lifters, E85 from DSX, TPS, X pipe, and catless headers. That's pretty much just all that's done to the car, engine wise, and the tune from Brewer Speed. But recently, I'm gonna put it down below, or put it right here. The video after the track day, when I went to the track and it was kind of shitty. There was a issue with the car whenever I hit the gas, and it would just cut up and start to vibrate, and not vibrate, but just start to hesitate. At first I didn't know it was wrong, so I took it down to Columbus. We figured out the issue. It was a fuel pump issue due to them having a lot of work, and I mean, I just, you know, love to get them done, and they're good guys. They're everything done well. I just wanted the car back here, so I drove down there to Columbus, Georgia, and picked up the car back. The car's been here for about a week now, a week and a half or so. So, if you guys don't know anything about Corvettes, a lot of people don't understand this, or a lot of people don't know this, but a fuel pump job in a Corvette is not an easy job. You literally, let me just show you guys, because it's kind of easier to show you than to actually tell you. Oh, and by the way, this came off. I gotta order a new one of these. That came off after the track day, like a couple of days afterwards. I was driving home from work, getting Taco Bell in. I looked out and there was no shit there. Yeah, gotta love it, right? Anywho, so on Corvettes, the fuel pump is literally right in between here, right in between the back there, right up under the driver's seat. So with that being said, if you haven't watched any of the Corvette fuel pump installation videos, you have to drop the transmission to do it correctly. I know there's people that do it without doing it, but I'm the type of person where I've already played with matches before. So I don't really like playing with matches or playing with fire or whatever the fucking analogy is. I don't really like playing with fire. So that being said, I'm gonna just go ahead and get it done, like, you know, the right way. So you have to drop the transmission from the rear, drop the torque tube, all of that to get to the fuel pump. Luckily, my boy Boyd Mabera out in Houston, Texas, had an extra C6Z06 fuel pump for free. He just sent it off to me. I sent him some money, you know, just out of appreciation. He sent it to me. He got here in 2 days. It's cool. It's fine. That's what we've been waiting for. But you guys don't know anything about me yet. If the car's gonna be down, I might as well do something while it's, you know, do something upgrading wise while it's there. For instance, when the cam went through issues and the lifters failed and the cam was grinded, I just said, fuck it, let's go ahead and do ported heads. So, because the heads was already off. So, since the transmission's already out, we're gonna go do a twin disc clutch. Something that I've been needing for a while. Something that I've been saying that I need just because, you know, I like going to track days. I don't want to get the 60 foot down a little bit more. The car deserves it, man. Believe it or not, this car has 99,000 miles on it. I bought it with 48,000 miles, and I've had it for 2 years. So I put on about, you know, almost 50,000 miles. I personally drive a lot. I don't think people understand that a lot, but I drive a lot. My parents live an hour away. I live an hour in the city. I work about 30 minutes away, and to and from work and then school and all that shit. This shit just adds up, like, you know, over time. But the car definitely deserves that, so we're doing that. New slave, all of that shit. But the reason why the car's been sitting here is because we've been waiting for the parts, but luckily the parts are already here. So let's go unboxing. But before we unbox them, I want to show you guys that this bitch not completely dead. She's still wake up a little bit, you know, not to its full potential, but she'll still wake up every now and then. I literally just put it up here like just 5 minutes ago. That's all you're gonna get, because if I rev it, my fucking neighbor's gonna kick me out. Gotta love living in the city. But if you don't know me by now, fuck them neighbors. Anywho. You guys don't remember, this is from Tavius, aka Vroom. Come here. Hey. He's gotten so big. Say what's up. Yes, I still have my dog. Say what's up. Say what's up. That's my boy. Ready to open some boxes? Ready to open some boxes with daddy? Ready to open some boxes with daddy? Okay, alright, let's open some boxes. Open up is the fuel pump. Like I said, my boy Boyd Bombera out of Houston, Texas, Bombera Performance Shop. Check him out. He sent this to me for free. Me and him known each other pretty much since I've had the vet. It's been my go-to guy. And when I moved to Texas, I plan on hanging out with him a lot more. But oh shit, I haven't told you to. Anywho, let's keep that. But he sent the whole assembly, not just the fuel pump, the whole assembly for your boy. More than anything needed. All for the free ski. I couldn't be more than happy with this. This is exactly what I needed. More than happy. Yes, sir. Alright, so that's the boring stuff. Let's get to the fun shit, vroom vroom. Wanna get to the fun shit? The fun shit. Say vroom vroom, vroom vroom, vroom vroom. Say vroom. Okay, I'm sorry. There we go. The smell of new car parts. Personal envelope.
Personal.
Yes, sir. With a sticker. He's just as excited as I am to open up the Holy Grail Monster Twin Disc Clutch with the slave cylinder, the remote bleeder.
Stop.
That's what I've been waiting for. That's what I need, guys. Yes, sir. Right there. Built by MP. Yes, sir. It's time to have fun, boys and girls. Or transgenders. Whatever you want to identify as. It's been a while since you guys saw this view, but we're gonna go drop the car off now. I'm gonna probably end the video here. I want to say thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot. And I'll have the car back soon, and I will keep you guys updated on everything that's going on and going down with the car. Y'all take care. Bye. See it, but this is his C6 ZR1. Such a beautiful car. One day I'll be a C6 ZR1 owner. We got the car here at FTZ Automotive. We got my boy Brian working on it. Say what's up. That's his beautiful C6 ZR1 in the back. So we're gonna end this video right here. Everything. You would bust my ass ahead of yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. Anyways. Yeah. Now you don't even stand a chance. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. Get up out of here. Y'all take care. Peace, man.